Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Ren? Ren! Where did he run off to now? Don't be rude, Ren. We have company. There you are. Say hi, Ren. Earlier today, I was craving something sweet with a fluffy texture to it. I didn't want anything chocolatey, and I didn't want anything along the lines of junk food. We're going for more of a healthy, homemade dessert here. After taking some time to think about what I wanted to make, I decided that muffins was the best choice. But why make these delicious treats by myself when I can easily share the recipe with you guys? Let's just say it adds on to the fun having you here with me. There are so many different kinds of muffins that you can make, but today we are making specifically blueberry muffins, my favorite. Before we can get started, make sure to pull all your hair back and wash your hands, of course. This could get messy, so I highly advise wearing an apron. Chef mode activated. Alright, Ren, I think we're ready to start. For these blueberry muffins, you will need milk, eggs, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, baking powder, blueberries, and white sugar. I chose to get most of these ingredients in organic, but you can purchase whatever brands you want. The choice is completely up to you. You will also need a muffin tin and paper liners. We're going to start off mixing our milk, eggs, and oil into a bowl. Got our bowl right here. So we need 1 cup of milk. There we go. 1 egg. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. But instead of vegetable oil, I am using today organic coconut oil because this is my ingredient of choice. So deal with it. Alright, I think that is perfect. Ah! Oh my god, and the mess begins. Plop that up in there. There we go. Now we're gonna add our baking powder, our sugar, and our blueberries. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 cup of sugar, make it nice and sweet. Just like moi. And 1 cup of fresh blueberries. I love blueberries so much. And now I'm gonna add in 2 cups of flour. We're gonna gently mix the batter in only a few strokes. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Let's continue stirring. The secret is not mixing the batter too much. This looks really good. That's turning out really blue. Damn! You guys, this is legit blue. Look at that. It's like a blue paste. That's awesome. Do I dare try it? Let's go for it. Oishi. Ooh, that's sweet. I love it. Preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Alright, so now we're going to put our bowl to the side and we're going to prepare our muffin tin. You're going to want to get your paper liners. Voila. Start pouring the muffin batter into the little paper liners. Oh, I feel like it's going to get so messy. I'm so scared. I'm so excited to see how these turn out when they're ready. I think they're gonna be bombers. I can't wait. Ren, I'm excited. In the oven we go. We are going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes. While we wait for our muffins to bake, I'm going to prepare some tea because tea goes well with muffins. Chamomile with lavender is our special tea for the day. I couldn't help myself. This batter is otherworldly. And with my tea, I like to add brown sugar and honey. Another reason why I like these cute little like tea bags is because on the tags it says a little quote. It says, "From a small seed a mighty trunk may grow." You don't say. That scared me! Oh, I swear you guys, the house is not burning down, I swear. Oh my god, that scared me. Freaking, I can't even talk, oh my god. Ren, what just happened? I swear the muffins are fine. I just checked it, house is fine, we're good. We're not dying today. Not today, we're good. Oh my god! Again! Ooh, look at that steam. Oh yeah, that hits the spot. Can't believe this. Damn, dude. Muffins are ready. Oh, these look great. They look very colorful. You can definitely tell there's a lot of blueberries in each and every one of them. There's like not one blueberry that has too little or too much. It's like the perfect amount, you guys. Which one should we choose? So we are going to go with this one. This one looks perfect. Like everything is perfect about this one. It's calling my name. We're gonna go for it. Oh my god, that looks so good. I don't even want to touch anything. Now guys, it's time for the test. Oh, these muffins are bomb! Perfection at its finest. It's hot, it's steamy, it's blue, it's fluffy, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm sorry, I had to. Tea and muffins. Best way to live. And men. Can't forget men. Oh, come on, you were thinking it too. Anyway, guys, it was a pleasure making these homemade muffins with you. You should definitely try this recipe at home. It's fast, it's easy, it's fun. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Just make sure to put your oven fan on. Don't be like me. Such a mess. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I, of course, will see you in the next one. Matane.